top 10 nude or neutral lipsticks for Indian skin tone. And now when I say Indian skin tone, I mean not one particular shade. I know Indian skin tone is not one category, but it's a diverse category. It includes all colors, all undertones. It is really difficult to find a neutral which works for all skin tones. So that's why I've compiled this top 10 list. Now please keep in mind that the way these nude lipsticks look on each of the skin tone as well as on the lip is completely different for each individual, because we do have certain pigmentation on our lips as well. It actually manipulates it and makes it into a different color altogether. So yes, please do keep it in mind. So let's get started. I will talk through what skin tones I am referring to when I refer you this neutral lip color, so that you can go ahead and select the perfect nude for yourself. The first lipstick that I have is this Makeup Revolution The One lipstick. It's a beautiful neutral color. It slightly washes me off, but if you are a person who's from the fair category, who's fairer than me, then this would be a beautiful neutral shade for you. It will complement your smoky eyes, it will complement any neutral look you want to do. So yes, it's a beautiful neutral shade for people who are on the paler side. Then I have this Maybelline Color Show Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Mysterious Mocha. This is personally one of my favorites, and I feel it's a perfect neutral for people who are from fair to medium skin tone like myself. I wore this on the YTFF red carpet with my smoky eyes and it looked so good. Like, I love this color. So I feel it's perfect for people who are up till a medium skin tone. People who are on the duskier side can also try this. Just like swatch it in a store or try it somewhere before buying it, because sometimes you feel it's not going to suit you, but it can end up suiting you. So yes, it's a beautiful color. Please try it before you buy it. Then I have this Lakme Enriched Satin 145. I will write the name of the current newer edition of 145 here. This is from the older collection, but it's a beautiful neutral shade. I feel this is perfect for people who have medium to deep skin tones. It looks stunning. On me, it's more of a pinky, darker neutral. But for people who have deeper skin tones, it would be a beautiful nude for you. Then I have Revlon Colourburst lipstick in the shade 099 Blossom. This is a beautiful warm neutral color for people who have heavy yellow undertones and they don't know how to get the perfect nude, because every sort of nude like washes them off because it's pink undertone. So if you want something that is warmer undertone that will complement your look, then this is the thing to go for. I took a lot of pauses there, but yes, it's a beautiful warm neutral shade. It almost can look an orangish if you have like extremely pink lips like I do, but if you have like normal lip color and you put foundation on, then this would be a perfect warm neutral shade. Then I have this Rimmel Kate Moss lipstick in the shade 105. Now this is such a beautiful shade. I feel it's a very universal shade, except for people who have extremely dark skin tone. For them, I wouldn't really recommend this. I have a few recommendations for you, so keep on watching for that. I feel this lip color is such a gorgeous neutral shade. I feel that for all of these lip colors, but anywho, it's a beautiful neutral with a lot of pinks in it, so it will make your lips look naturally very healthy. It will make it look like you have extremely fluttery, nice, flushed lips, which we all crave for. This is perfect for people who are in corporate jobs and they need to wear something that is, natural yet killer. So this is a perfect match for you guys. Then I have Maybelline Color Show Choco Latte. This is a perfect neutral shade for people who have deeper skin tones. I feel this would flatter you guys so much. On me personally, this is a very dark pinky brown, but for people who have deeper skin tones, I feel you would look stunning with this lip shade on. I feel this is the perfect nude for people who are from the duskier skin tones, which I envy. I really love that, bronze sort of a bombshell babe look. So yes, this is the perfect neutral for you guys. Then we have the Color Bar Take Me As I Am lip color in the shade Bare Dare Pink. I feel this is the perfect neutral for people who are from fair to medium category. This is a pretty nude color with a hint of pink, that's why Bare Dare Pink. So it's a perfect lip color for people who are from fair to medium skin tones. Then I have this Note lipstick in the shade Miss Kiss. It's a beautiful greyish color. It doesn't have a pink undertone. It looks very, a browny grey color on the lips, and I know people have been dying for this lip color since like 2014, and I feel this is such a beautiful shade for people who wanna like pair their smoky eyes with a grungy lip color but don't wanna go that grungy. This is the perfect shade for you guys. Next up, I have Lakme 95 matte lipstick in the shade Red Chaos. Now I know the name says Red Chaos, it's not actually a red chaos, it's more like, you know, a deeper nude color. Again, on me this looks way more deeper, way more brownie red, but for people who have deeper skin tones, this will be such a gorgeous neutral shade for you guys. Like, I love to wear this shade and I know you guys will love it as well if you buy it. It is very comfortable, it looks very good on the skin, and it's extremely, you know, long lasting as well. So yes, I would highly recommend you guys getting this if you are from any skin tone. Actually, this would look so beautiful on fair people as well, but not like as a nude, but for people who are from the dusky skin tone, as a nude for you guys. So yes, must buy right now. Lastly, I have a Maybelline Lip Gradation in the shade Mauve 1. This is a beautiful neutral lip color for people who are medium, who are fair, who are dark. This looks so beautiful on everyone. On fair people, it won't be like a neutral, but for people who are medium to darker skin tones, it will be a beautiful nude for you guys. So yeah, those were all of my recommendations. I haven't included any liquid lipsticks in this, you know, top 10. If you want to know my top 10 liquid lipstick, I will leave a link for you guys in the bottom bar. If you would like me to do a top 10 nude liquid lipsticks for Indian skin tones, then do let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to do it for you guys. And yes, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which will be listed in the bottom bar as usual for you guys. And I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.